This is the graph of 2F1 last question J. Let's discuss exercise 2F question number 2. Let's discuss exercise 2F question number 2. Before that, let me discuss few sums. I'll take this one, x square minus 5x plus 6. So what are the rules of this equation? When y equals 0, x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. We know x minus 3 and x minus 2 equals 0. We know roots are x equal 2 and x equal 3. What are the roots of this equation? I multiply by this one too. Then I want to find the root of this equation. Y equals 0. Then 2x square minus 10x plus 12 equals 0. I can divide both sides by 2. Then x square minus 5x plus 6 equal 0. Then again x equal 2 and x equal 3. Another equation. I multiply by this one 3. 3x square minus 15x plus 18. Then y equals 0. To find the root, then 3x square minus 15x plus 18 equal 0. Then I'll divide by both sides 3. Then again the same, x square minus 3x plus 5x plus 6 equal 0. Again root is x equal 2 and x equal 3. Now we can see that for 3 equation, 3 graphs has same root. What is the meaning of that? The root is 2 and 3. The meaning of this one is this is 2 and this is 3. This is another graph. This is another graph. This is another one. Likewise, there are infinite number of graphs can go through this route 2 and 3. So then if we want to find, so okay, when I take this one, x square minus 5x plus 6, in which way it will cut y-axis. To y-axis we want to make it x equals 0. When x equals 0 here, y value is 6. Then this is 0, 6. Same as when at y-axis x equals 0, then y value is 12. Then this is 0, 12. Likewise, this is 0, 18. Same as I can change the graph into this way by putting just a minus Front of this y equal minus x square plus 5x minus 6. Now, likewise other. So the conclusion is you have to be aware there may be many graphs with there are many different graphs with same roots. We need this knowledge to work out this exercise. Question 2. Sketch the graph of the quadratic functions of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now find the value of a, b, c for each function. In this one, the graph crosses the y-axis. The graph crosses the y-axis. Then what is the clue you can take? X value is 0 and 15 is given. So the coordinate is 0, 15. So we'll sum this value to this equation. So 15 equal a times 0 square plus b times 0 plus c. So c equal 15. The graph crosses the x-axis at 3, 0 and 5, 0. Then x equal 3 and x equal 5 are roots. It means x minus 3 equals 0 and x minus 5 equals 0. It means x minus 3 times x minus 5 equals 0. It means x square minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. It means what is the graph? Okay, c value is match. Hence the graph is y equal x square minus 8x plus 15. So a equal 1, b equal minus 8 and c equal 15. At b, the graph crosses the y-axis at 0, 10. So it means y equal ax square plus bx plus c. So then I'll sub this 0 and 10. 10 equal 0 plus 0 plus c. C equal 10. Then the graph crosses the x-axis as minus 2, 0 and 5, 0. It means the x equal minus 2 is a root and x equal 5 is a root. So x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 5 equals 0. So x plus 2 I multiply together equals 0. So x square minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Now this is minus 10. We have 10. Then how we make minus 10 to plus positive 10? Multiply by both sides by minus. So this is become minus square plus 3x plus 10 equals 0. Then what is the graph? Y equal minus x square minus x square plus 3x plus 10. Another way of looking at it. Now you have this one x square minus 10. But you know that it has a maximum. Then a has to be negative. But you can see that a value is positive here. Then I want to make this one negative. So I multiply by everything is minus. Then this is become minus x square plus 3x plus 10x. Okay, that is right because it is matched with c equal 10. So you can look at both ways. Finally, a equal -1, b equal 3, and c equal 10. Part C, the graph causes y equals 0 minus 8. So y equal ax square plus bx plus c. So minus 18 equals 0 plus c. C equal minus 18. Then the graph process x is at minus 3, 0 and 3, 0. So x equal minus 3 and x equal 3 are roots. So x plus 3 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So x plus 3, x minus 3 equals 0. So x square minus 9 equals 0. X square plus 0x minus 9 equals 0. Now when you look at this, is c value is minus 9, but we need c is minus 18. Then we have to multiply both side by 2. So this is 2x square minus 18 um, plus 0x minus 18 equals 0. Right now it is matched with c value. Now the graph is y equal to x square minus 18 and a equal to b equals 0 and c equal minus 18. The graph crosses y-axis at 0 minus 1. Y equal ax square plus bx plus c. So x is 0 and this is minus 1. 0 plus 0 plus c. C equal minus 1. The graph crosses the x-axis at minus 1, 0 and so x equal minus 1 and x equal 4 are roots. So x plus 1 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. So x plus 1 times x minus 4 equal 0. So then this is going to be x square minus 3x plus minus 4 equals 0. Now see here with the minus 1. So this is minus 4. Then I have to divide both side by 4. Or I have to multiply by 1 over 4 both sides. So this is 1 over 4x square, 3 over 4x minus 1 equals 0. So the graph is y over 1 over 4x square, 3 over 4x minus 1. So a equal 1 over 4, b equal minus 3 over 4, and c equal minus 1. Question number 3. So graph has minimum. So minimum at 5 minus 3. So this is 5 and this is minus 3. So symmetrical line is x equal 5 and the graph go through 4 0. So then from here to here the distance is from 4 to 5, 1. Then the other, since this is symmetric, distance should be 1. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. So this point is going to be 6. So then this graph has one root, x equal 4, or x equal 8. So x minus 4 equals 0, or x minus 8 equals 0. So x minus 4 times x minus 8 equal 0. So then x square minus 10x plus 24 equal 0. Then we need to check back by completing a square. Still we get this one, this 5 minus 3, the answer. So when I complete the square for this one, x minus 5 square minus 25 plus 24. So then okay, equals 0. So x minus 5 square, this is going to be minus 1 equals 0. According to this one, the minimum is 5 and minus 1. But really the minimum is 5 and minus 3. Then we have to multiply by this equation by 3. It means 3 times x minus 5 square minus 3 equals 0. So this is the graph. So it means in simply you want to multiply this graph by 3. So this is become 3x square minus 30x plus 72 equals 0. Then we can tell a equal 3, b equal minus 30, and c equal 72.